last comment today.
Thank you.
Happy Zoogether Day!
Across Zootopia, and an unforgettable concert finale from superstar Gazelle. Their host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! One of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day V.I.Z. Don't worry, yes?
Oh, that's good!
No, the slot.
So excited!
Yeah, whatever it is. Come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. If you need to be responsible, that's totally standard, okay?
Oh, this one. That one. I'm really bad at this.
Don't miss it.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow! Great for me!
This is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howler? Are you okay? Say what? Hey! Oh, Tundratown! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashmo!
Kozlov. Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, Zoogether strong like fire.
Oh, special effects!
Five snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea! Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you wanna grab a leg?
Detectives Ox and Wilde investigating the disaster.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts. Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter together.
The marsh is straight up. Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you. What? anything. Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub. Hey,
Hey,
bub.
bub.
Wet.
See who did this? Oh, it's locked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Oh, little rodentia!
Time to make like a tree.
Clark,
What?
let's move on.
Together day from the shroom angels. Hi, it's your girl Frou-Frou. In the rodentia, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so good!
We're gonna get iced.
Miss Frou-Frou, hang Donuts do save lives. I am shocked.
I knew it. But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
We're in pursuit. Zootopia. Let's dance, you party animals. Happy Zoogether Day.
Hey, move you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo!
Clawhauser,
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief.
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the world are you looking for?
Saving Zoogether Day, Chief.
Hey! Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks.
You think his head is a lot of flies? You should see him.
Wait.
Whoa! Oh no! That's Gazelle tickets!
You're gonna ruin the finale. That's it. I got it. I know who's behind this.
Gazelle!
Hey, grab on. Clawhauser, beware of monsters.
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection! Oh! Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah.
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi. Howler.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, shoot.
Oops.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Oh, Gazelle!
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, B.I.Z.
Oh, the best day ever!
Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
You're in my dream. Make a wish upon a whisker.
As a tear.
Joining up as brother.
Sister, put your paw in mine.
We're pouncing toward a better day. Yikes.
Shells intertwine, we raise our hearts and hands. Hop on our train
enjoying the show. If you park your stroller inside of our queue, please go ahead and take a left turn. Let's exit the theater. Once again, if you drop your stroller off inside of our queue, we're going to take a left turn. Right through here.